Hey everyone, this is Hussein. Today I am here with the new M2 powered MacBook Air. Apple's redesigned this laptop. The famous wedge shape is gone, it's more of a traditional slab shape, comes in two fun new colors, Starlight and Midnight, in addition to silver and space gray. Honestly, this computer is beautiful to hold. It's 11mm thin, weighs 2.7 pounds. It's incredibly thin and light in the hand. Pretty sure this computer is incredibly nice to hold. Inside you have the M2 chip, which has an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU. Apple says that in things like Photoshop it'll be 1.4 times faster than the outgoing M1 Air. Apple's also quoting an 18-hour battery life, but that's just video playback time, so we'll have to see what its actual battery life in real-world use is. Obviously the M1 did great, lasted all day. I would expect nothing less from this M2 Air. Ports-wise, the big addition here is the MagSafe port on the side that lets you use both Thunderbolt ports here while you're charging the computer. On the other side you've got a headphone jack. Love that it now supports high-impedance headphones. The display is a little bit bigger at 13.6 inches. Its 500 minutes of brightness now supports P3 wide color gamut that gets you a billion colors. The display bezel is also a little bit reduced than before. That's getting out to the edges, because you've got a notch at the top for the camera. The camera is 1080p. Apple says it's obviously a big improvement over the outgoing Air with twice the low light performance. The outgoing Air had a horrible camera, so any step up here is bound to seem huge. It looks beautiful. The keyboard here is Apple's very familiar scissor key keyboard, full height. Switches touch ID on the side. Obviously Apple makes great trackpads. You're also looking at 4 speakers and beam-forming mics inside this thing, which Apple says will greatly improve video conferencing quality. I gotta say my favorite update to the M2 MacBook Air though might be the charging situation. The base model comes with a 30-watt single-port USB-C charger, very familiar, but you can pay $20 more to upgrade to either a dual USB-C port 35-watt charger or a single-port 67-watt fast charger. That'll take you from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. As far as pricing, the base model is $11.99. That comes with 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage and a lonely single USB-C port 30-watt charger. You can step up to the $14.99 configuration. That gets you 512 gigs of storage and that 35-watt dual USB-C charger. Obviously you can also configure this thing online to your heart's desire price. It way up in the stratosphere, but those are the two stock convicts. That is the M2 MacBook Air. That's not the only M2 computer in Apple's lineup. The 13-inch MacBook Pro has also been updated to the M2, and for some bizarre reason it still has a touch bar. I don't know why, but it does. So, that's it for today. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe this channel and turn on the bell button for new video. See you in the next video. This is Hussein, signing out.